welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 3 of English, and the name of the chapter is Determiners. So let us read the chapter and know more about the determiners. So first of all, they have explained us that what are determiners actually. So determiners determiners are words that are used with nouns to illustrate them or define their quantity, such as some, any, each, every, etc. राइट। तो डिटर्मिनर्स ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो कि यूज किए जाते हैं नाउन्स के साथ ताकि हम इलस्ट्रेट कर सके और डिफाइन कर सके उनकी क्वांटिटी, जैसे कि एज, सम, एनी, ईच, एवरी, एटसेट्रा। राइट। एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, Sahil is reading a novel, right? Are there any ice cream inside the box, right? Next, I have bought some bananas. Yes. So, next up that we have over here is types of determiners. So, now the very first kind of determiner that is given to us is articles. So, let's read that what are articles now. So, articles are a type of determiner and include and the. A and an are indefinite articles used to refer non-specific nouns, right? तो आर्टिकल जो है वो एक तरीके का डिटर्मिनर है जिसमें होते हैं ए, एन और द आर्टिकल्स, राइट। ए और एन जो है वो इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स में आते हैं और यूज किए जाते हैं रेफर करने के लिए टू द नॉन स्पेसिफिक नाउन्स को, right? While the is the definite article used to refer to the specific nouns. और the जो है वो यूज किया जाता है डेफिनेट आर्टिकल को रेफर करने के लिए, स्पेसिफिक नाउन्स को रेफर करने के लिए, राइट। एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, I saw a cat in the garden. She is reading an interesting book. She looks like an American. The phone is dead, right? After that, we have next topic which is demonstratives. अब demonstratives क्या हैं? Let's read them. So demonstrative determiners indicate the proximity of the noun to the speaker. कि demonstrative determiners indicate करते हैं proximity को, यानी कि वो पास है या फिर दूर है noun को speaker से, right? Common demonstratives includes this, these, that and those. ये common demonstratives जो हैं उसमें आते हैं this, that, these and those, right? Examples, I like this shirt. I saw that movie last night, right? Can you hand me these keys, right? After that, the next topic that is possessives. अब possessives क्या है? Let us read this also. Possessive determiners, तो ownership और possession. कि possessive determiners जो है वो हमें या तो ownership दिखाते हैं या फिर possession दिखाते हैं, right? They include my, your, his, her, its, our and their, right? उनमें my, your, his, her, its, our और their ये सभी चीजें इंक्लूड की जाती हैं, right? Next examples है, this is my house. Is this your pen? I found their dog in the park, right? Next is quantifiers. अब quantifiers क्या है? So quantifiers indicate the quantity or amount of the noun. क्वांटिफायर्स इंडिकेट करते हैं या तो क्वांटिटी या फिर नाउन का अमाउंट, राइट। कॉमन क्वांटिफायर्स इंक्लूड सम, मैनी, few, several, all, both, each, every, much, more, less and fewer. ये कॉमन क्वांटिफायर्स ये सभी वर्ड्स इंक्लूड करते हैं, राइट। एग्जाम्पल्स आर I have many books. She needs a few minutes to get ready. We ate all the cookies, right? Next is numbers. Let's read about numbers now. Numbers are used to specify the exact quantity of the noun. They include 1, 2, 3, 10, 50 and so on, right? तो नंबर्स में एग्जैक्ट क्वांटिटी या एग्जैक्ट नंबर हमें उस नाउन का या प्रोनाउन का बताया जाता है, राइट? एग्जैक्ट नंबर यानी 1, 2, 3 और so many numbers are there, right? So the examples are there are 3 chairs in the room, right? Next is I bought 5 apples. That means हमने इसमें exact number उस noun का बताया है, right? So that is why we are counting them in numbers. Next is the interrogatives. अब ये interrogatives क्या है? So interrogative determiners are used to ask questions and include which and what. इंटैरोगेटिव डिटर्मिनर्स जो है वो यूज किए जाते हैं क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए, जो इंक्लूड करते हैं विच एंड व्हाट, राइट? जिसमें हम विच और व्हाट को भी इंक्लूड करते हैं. So the examples are which book do you want to read, right? Next, tell me what happened, right? तो यहाँ पर हमने ये क्वेश्चंस पुट अप किए हैं. That is why we have used the interrogative questions over here, right? So that was all about the chapter determiners. I hope you all are clear with determiners as well as its kinds. So that was all for this. I hope you all enjoyed it and learned something from this. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.